What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today I'm in Helen, Georgia. It's snowing outside, and we're gonna go check out the Hofers with a few of my friends, some YouTubers. Right here, Blaine O from Larry's Creative Travel.
Hey, we ain't used to the snow. South Carolina don't get this, and we know Louisiana don't see much snow.
Oh, we definitely don't go in Louisiana, but wow.
That's coming down now, isn't it?
It's coming down. I walked in a little bit late to the party, so I think everyone else here has already cleaned up breakfast. What we got? Oh, look at this guy. Man, he cleaned that plate up, right? What you have?
Man, I had eggs, 3 eggs with cheese. I had a pork chop, had potatoes. I had all kinds of bread. Even had some pineapple and some orange. Good stuff.
What you had over there, Billy?
I had potatoes, scrambled eggs, sausage, pineapple, oranges, and toast.
We got Kenny over there. We got Kenny and we got Paw. Kenny, what you have over there?
I had farmer's omelet with green peppers, onions, tomatoes, and orange and pineapple.
And I noticed you finished some extra pineapple from Paw over there.
Yeah, I had the Hofers House gravy and biscuits, and with bratwurst.
My food just came in. That looks really good. Got some scrambled eggs, there's some ham, croissants right there. Oh, what did you have, Ryan?
I got the Alpine French toast.
Everybody's pretty much finished. I'm late. You're gonna ask Blaine over here.
Eric.
What you have over there, Blaine?
I had the farmer's omelet. It was real good.
So yeah, the timing is bad.
As Kenny would say, it was a 10 out of 10.
It was a 10 out of 10. What you have, Mallory?
I had the bacon and onion hash, and it was really good. 10 out of 10.
What did y'all have over there?
French toast. It was fresh.
What did you have?
I had the Prego with lox, with fresh salmon, smoked salmon. It was spot on.
Oh, that sounds good. Maybe I should have ordered that.
I also had the Prego and lox, and it was the food of my people, and it felt delicious.
That sounds good. Maybe I should have had that. Dig into this food right now, and I'll catch you in a moment. Hey, folks, so I cleaned that up pretty good. Little piece of bread left, but I ate most of that. Croissant was delicious. The ham was wonderful. You know, got a little pineapple, orange. Really good. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are always good. I love scrambled eggs. You already know my opinion. The only way to eat your eggs is scrambled. But this is a really good breakfast. I enjoyed it. So Darren, this is my real first time experience at a German-type restaurant. How would you compare this to an actual restaurant in Germany?
Very, very close. I mean, this food is authentic. Not only the breakfast, you know, I had all the eggs, all the pork chops and everything. They fix it just like you would in Germany, especially in Bavaria somewhere. But also the bakery here. Oh my goodness, they got the fresh bread. They got brochen here, right here in Helen, Georgia. They have all kinds of pastries, donuts, you name it. Black Forest cake. Oh, you gotta try the Black Forest cake. It's moist. Oh my goodness. They have a little bit of everything. But this is the smells, what you see here, and the food, even the setup, how the table set up, is just like you'll see in Germany as well. So I can't wait to see you in Germany there, Eric.
I can't wait for that. Gotta have a fun meetup in June in Germany. It'll be my first time in Germany.
Oh man, this will be that spaghetti ice. You know that spaghetti ice I talk about sometimes? You're gonna be hooked. Just a little warning. If you don't know what spaghetti ice is, just Google it, because I'm about to make a fool out of myself in this restaurant before explaining what spaghetti ice is. So Google spaghetti ice. Not ICE, but spaghetti EIS.
So coming soon with me sampling spaghetti ice for the first time.
To a YouTube channel near you.
That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And do it now. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Leave any comments below. I love to interact. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community.